Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is all about recalls and fuel leaks on the Chevrolet Captiva. So what happened today is while we were inside the Chevrolet Captiva, we could smell a very strong smell of fuel. I rolled down the windows and everything, still could smell it, and it was just insane. So we pulled over and we have seen this massive fuel leak. Look at this, it's sprayed all over the front here, all over the front, leaking on the grill. It's leaking all over this front area out here. Just barely, it missed the battery area back here. There's the fuel line back there. What we don't see is that leaking, and this is the point of recall for most of the Chevrolet Captivas. Looking down here at this pump, look at how drenched in fuel it is. It is very wet. Everything around it is very wet, and then the radiator, of course, trying to blow everything out, is just blowing fuel everywhere. And take a look at that, it's quite crazy. And then of course, given this issue, it's dripping all the way down. So if you do have a Chevrolet Captiva of this style and year, as you see here, be very careful because take a look at this. The fuel is still dripping and the car is off. So just be very mindful, take it to your Chevy, Holden, Saturn dealers, whatever it is, just to make sure that that fuel hose is checked and yours is checked. This here is straight fuel, and of course this could cause a fire if left unattended, so be very careful. This is the fuel trail that the Chevy Captiva left with the fuel leak. Now we got the Chevrolet truck of Medan to come here and take a look at it. It's a mobile mechanics, which is pretty cool. The mobile mechanic found that the fuel line, starting from this connector all the way down to about that area where you see that gold bar, that needed to be replaced. So it was a hose issue. So what this is showing is the hose is now removed, and all you have to do is just reinstall that bit and just start it back up. Yeah, this is the part right here that needs to be replaced. Once that's all set up, it should be good to go. And here we have the Chevy Captiva now running. There's a fuel line installed, all new and everything. So it is good to go. There's no more fuel spraying anywhere, and that fixed the leak. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you next video.